Meet Echo Spot,
Hi there.
a compact Echo with a screen that can show you the time, the news, your music, and a whole lot more. With Echo Spot, you can customize Alexa to help you rise and shine.
Alexa, good morning.
Up and at 'em, Tiger. It's 45 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Here's your flash briefing.
Start your day with a forecast, commute times, or the latest trending news. Staying in touch is simple. Call just about anyone hands-free, or make video calls to family and friends with an Echo Spot, Echo Show, or the Alexa app.
Alexa, call Jess.
Calling Jess.
Hey, what's up?
Hey,
Is everything okay?
Just ask to play music from Spotify, Pandora, Amazon Music, and more.
Alexa, play Emily King.
Shuffling songs by Emily King.
Listen through the built-in speaker, or for even more sound, connect Echo Spot to your external or Bluetooth speakers.
Alexa, turn it up.
Echo Spot works with compatible smart devices to set the temperature, turn on the lights, or check in on the little one.
Alexa, show me the nursery.
Okay.
And with the adjustable stand sold separately, you can see everything from the perfect angle.
Good night, little guy.
With tens of thousands of skills and counting, Alexa is always getting smarter, and so will Echo Spot.
Alexa, good night.
Sleep tight.
The all-new Echo Spot from Amazon.
Rock around the clock in color with the IBT29 from iHome. This Bluetooth color-changing dual alarm clock radio is always ready to get the party started quickly and colorfully. Choose from a full spectrum of light modes and colors to bring your favorite tunes to life with a visual performance like no other. With the press of a button, the IBT29 will illuminate with your favorite color, cycle through all available colors, and will even change the color to the beat of your music and more. To adjust the brightness and intensity of the light effects, simply tap the snooze bar. You can even wake to a light show of color that includes dawn, flashing, and glowing sequences. The IBT29 also features built-in speakerphone technology, so you can keep the light show without missing a beat. Designed with Resonate speaker chamber technology, the IBT29 will light up your room with an audio performance filled with depth, clarity, and superior sound. The IBT29 is a dual alarm system featuring Sure Alarm battery backup, an auxiliary line-in jack, and also a convenient USB port to charge your smartphone or other devices. Plus, with Bluetooth audio or FM radio, you'll always wake up glowing. Colorize your day, morning, noon, and night with the IBT29 from iHome. Wake up fully charged with iHome's Bluetooth dual alarm clock radio. This model features an integrated Apple Watch charger in addition to dual alarms with weekday and weekend settings, so you can set alarms that fit your lifestyle. It also features FM radio with 6 programmable presets. Whether you prefer to stream your music or listen to the radio in the morning, the Gentle Wake feature gradually increases the volume when it's time to rise and shine. Thanks to Sure Alarm battery backup, it will still set off your alarm in the event of a power loss. Plus, when you download the free iHome Enhance app, you can wirelessly control the radio, set the time, alarms, and more. It also features a 1-amp USB port to charge your smart devices and an integrated charging module to simultaneously charge your Apple Watch. This speaker comes with a built-in microphone, echo noise cancellation, and audio caller ID, so you can make or take your calls with perfect clarity. With its Resonate speaker chamber, the IWBT400 will bring your music to life. Plus, when you download Melody, the free voice activation music assistant app, you can request a universe of music with your voice from popular streaming platforms such as iHeartRadio, Tidal, Spotify Premium, and more without the need for a Wi-Fi signal. The clean contemporary design complements any bedroom, making the IWBT400 the perfect alarm clock for your busy, connected life.